women take a lot of breaks during their career, be it because of weddings and maternity leaves, sabbaticals for their kids' studies and things like that. So, you being a HR leader, what are organizations doing, and what is the thought process that the organizations have in taking these women back?
I definitely see that organizations are quite serious and very, very razor sharp focus is there to bring women back to workforce.
That's good.
And there are business reasons behind it. There is data, and I would basically, this data is pertaining to the automotive industry, but it is largely true in general. Most of buying power comes from women. The 80% of buying power is from the women consumer market in automotive, because the trend of SUVs and crossovers, all of this comes from women. And the other thing is that data also proves that when there are more women in organization, and more particularly in the top leadership, such organizations invest more in innovation, in research and development and so on. What I see organizations doing are a lot of things. I can talk about Marelli, for example. We really have worked on creating a work environment that is women friendly. All the policies, like 26 weeks of maternity leave, extended child raising leave, ensuring that women have the child care in-house crèche facilities, are things that have become a norm today for all the organizations.